We are on the road in the RV, headed for New Hampshire to turn in our GPS chart plotter to the Raymarine Repair Center, and we met Wild Child. They invited us to their house. What a mansion in the woods. They even have a parking place for an RV. This is Jessica, Marley, and QP on the front porch. QP was so excited that she had to see the property before even going in the house. If you're interested in some very organic honey, Wild Child can supply you with their version of honey. They even recycle the beeswax to make lip balm. We finally did make it inside for lunch. We had some smoked salmon and finger food, and for dinner we made our own buffalo wings. Jessica and Marley have been out collecting choke berries. We put some on some whipped cream and ice cream. It was awesome. Captain Drew was still teaching a class on Saturday and Sunday morning, so we were on our own for breakfast, and we went shopping Chinese style at the Asian market. Time for a Chinese cooking class, and Jessica is taking notes. And guess what? Captain Drew made it home.
Okay, then very easy one. Very easy. Just use it. That's very easy one. And then later I'll do different.
It's great that they have them already prepackaged and give us more often.
See that?
They want this open like a regular store. Okay.
Oh, this job is he cut scissors.
Oh, blame ruler.
Everything is my fault, I know.
You cut the first skin, okay? Just like that.
Okay.
Nice.
One.
Okay,
Now show them how to do the one where it's folded in threes.
Oh, this one. Second. Same thing. Round.
What's the difference between the round and the square or anything?
Hold. Put this one
Oh yeah.
to here in the medium. Close it. Pocket. This one to here. Close the pocket. Oh, this Josephine is very thin. So it's not stick.
And is there a reason why we want to do it that way instead of the first way she did it?
It's pretty.
Oh,
Maybe
pretty, okay.
It tastes different flavor.
Same. Okay, like that.
Okay, now this is going to be the challenge. Okay, well, I'm going to put it in there for you. Okay,
It's so cold.
And it is a little bit easier if you use less filling.
okay.
Less filling gives you more dough to work with.
Okay. Is that too much filling or is that good?
Okay, probably too much.
Too much? Okay.
I'm going to zoom in. So
I probably should use a fork
Yeah.
Or a little spoon.
or a little, one of those little
Just
grapefruit.
good, okay.
Okay.
You can try this one.
Okay.
Lazy
Use one
American way.
finger. Get some water around that.
You know, I'll
Okay.
get mine going too and show you what she's going to.
Yeah.
Okay. That makes it sticky. Okay.
Okay. Close pocket then. Okay. Good enough.
You
Yeah.
got, you got two there?
Uh-huh.
Two noodles?
Oh, I have two.
Yeah. Oh, you got two. Okay.
One.
Oh, I do too.
Next thing, the noodles.
It's
I'll
okay.
take one. I'll try that if you want to give it to me.
Here.
Oh, jeez. You got a camera roller?
according to the camera, it was 3 seconds, so it's good.
And then you just close it like that and pinch it.
She even has her.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, that's not the right one. It's this one.
Money.
That's
Oh,
for the
oh.
Put it
meatballs.
here.
Oh, we're doing
like
something
that.
different with that.
Yeah.
I thought we had
So
a
you
choice.
got
Nope.
right hands. Yeah, like that. Close it.
At least you squeeze it.
Is that pulling your way, Willard?
No, it's good.
I think it's the kids leaving.
If it is your
Okay, we're having a jiaozi making party. So Drew's going for the second level.
I don't know what
Jiaozi.
the second level is.
Marley is going for second level.
No.
Jessica, she's hasn't mastered the beginner level. So this is done with the, where's the skins? There they are.
QP.
One of the skins and
Okay,
some
going for
pork
level-
mixture.
So,
Which one? Cedar?
And when it's all over with,
yeah,
it
should I
should
fold
look
it
like
half
this.
first?
Oh, probably
Like
too
this?
much.
Too much? Let me see. You think it's a little too much?
Yeah, I think too much.
I'm sure I can take some out.
Okay.
Yeah, it's easy to do too much.
Okay. Close medium. Then use this one.
Put it outside you, this one?
Yeah. Then
And fold it over.
Fold it over here. Then make it
Ah, okay.
I already
nice. And this
closed
corner.
mine all the way. I
Okay.
shouldn't have done that. Okay.
Now, Drew, you may also need to wet the outside like you wetted the inside.
Yeah.
You need to wet the
Oh,
outside
right to the outside.
to make it stick.
Right. Thank you for the tip.
Okay.
And leave
Well, that's how you make
That's a
jiaozi.
good amount. Yeah.
It's not as pretty as yours. I'm getting there.
In case I forget, this is the rest of what we're doing. This is all the jiaozi operation. Then we're going to try some with a shrimp mixture. This one is a shrimp and cream cheese mixture. We've never tried that one before. This is the pork mixture for stuffed zucchini and meatballs that get rolled in sweet rice. And the last one is bananas mashed up inside wonton wrappers for dessert. I heard that.
Can we get in there and make a meatball?
It's fun.
Okay, latest update. We have made our cream cheese jiaozi and the shrimp jiaozi, the pork and vegetable jiaozi. Now everybody's working on meatballs rolled in rice.
It feels gross.
Like it feels great.
It feels so...
Now we're doing the stuffed zucchini.
The stuff in the zucchini.
Let me zoom in here a little bit closer.
Yeah, you can put it
So
inside.
you take a zucchini that's been cut
With the finger,
halfway
pushing it
through,
inside.
or more than halfway.
It's good. Let me see. Okay. Make it more like that. More pretty. No,
Yeah.
see it?
And we're putting the finished ones in.
Oh, wait.
This one. Hold it, close it, close it, close it, close it. So,
Now they're making banana dessert.
okay,
I think I can handle that.
okay.
I think. Don't go too far.
If Jessica knows how to do that,
Drew said, I think I can, I think I can.
Jessica, you can try
think
try
I
one,
can.
try one. I'll try.
I know
And you
I can do
help
it.
me
No, I
to
can.
steam. Okay.
I think I can do it.
The banana mixture,
Two.
This
and
one's
then a
hard.
wonton wrapper.
Okay. Make sure they're really squeezed, closed.
Wet all the edges.
Go get some done. I'm gonna get some more.
Put a topper on it. And seal it up really well. He's a professional dessert chef. See how Jessica's doing?
Yeah.
You can use this 2-finger lunker.
Yay.
Yeah, it's actually a little easier, I think, in the hand. I think she has a good tip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Beautiful. And seal it up. Nice. Okay.
Okay. Okay, use your finger and bite it off.
Is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Too hot
Let's
yet?
go.
It's good? Yeah?
Shrimp and cream cheese.
Okay, can you look that way more?
What do you think, Marley? Is it good? Let me have a look.
Oh, shit.
Oh, nice. You're good with the chopsticks.
I bit it.
Here's the junior version.
Very nice.
There you go.
After a wonderful weekend with friends, it's time to go to New Hampshire and Raymarine.
He's a bear.